Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Welcome to another product review. Today I've got 3 boxes here shipped to me recently by my friends over at Pridefend. So I used to get a lot of firearms related accessories from Pridefend. They have an Amazon store and some really useful equipment and things for your firearms. So I've got something new in this big box over here. I'm going to show you what these 2 things here are first. So when you're going to the range, you're always carrying all kinds of rigs, shooting stands. Well, in my videos recently, I always have a simple little shooting stand like this. This is a pack of 2, and they're very lightweight. Just stuff it into one of your cases or your range bag or something like that, or just carrying it around in your car or put in your pocket. It's so lightweight because it's foam, but it's good for placing your firearms for your shooting stand for stability at the range, whether you have a low height here or you can turn it for a high height. Real easy, fast way to get a good stable stand for when you're shooting if you don't want to use a bipod. Really convenient, lightweight, easy to use. You know what I mean. Help you sight in if you need it higher. Perfect. When you're done, pop this in your backpack. These Pridefend shooting rests also come in a little mesh bag, so you can just hook it onto your backpack. Second item from Pridefend is a little kit here. You know what this is. If you build your own ARs or work on your handguns, whatever, you have a little platform here where you can use your punch tools and punch your detents out, your pivot or takedown pins, assembling your rifle, you know, rubber stopper here. You can flip it around to this side. You know, you have little channels and valleys here, holes where you can safely place your firearms and tap and knock out pins and stuff without you damaging things. So nice little platform. This comes with this kit, which is a complete mini punch kit. So all different kinds of sizes, flat tip punches that comes with your polymer and rubber and plastic little hammer here, well weighted. Really convenient for on the go kind of thing. If you're camping or something like that, you need to clean your firearms. This makes it easy if you have a jam or if you need to disassemble something in the field. It's a very convenient small little kit, punch kit, so that you can maintain and disassemble, reassemble your firearms. As you can see, all different sizes. 9/32, quarter inch, 7/32, 3/16, 5/32, 9/64. I don't think I've ever used that. Anyway, really small ones too. 1/16, 5/64. My goodness. And over here, as you can see, you can switch out the your hammer ends with the brass kind or the stainless steel kind too. Pretty good quality. But like I said, really small little kit where you can take with you to the range in a nice little case and overcome any challenges or problems or jams you might have at the range, or if you're going camping or hunting or something. Very, very convenient to have for your range bag. And the last box, certainly not least, is something that I've actually never seen before. I do a lot of reviews on firearms, accessories, and what have you, but this is very interesting. So, in my room, I have my ballistic helmet and my body armor just sitting on the floor because I really have no place to put it. This is a stand, if you will. You would secure this wooden plank onto your wall or your safe or your closet, whatever. And this thing bolts up together with a hanger so that you can hang your body armor as well as place your ballistic helmet right there. That's really cool. It's made pretty stylish looking in this like antique looking treated wood with a modern looking black finish on this frame. It even has a hook so you can hook stuff. You can display and store your ballistic helmet, your body armor, and whatever range bag and other kind of gadgets you might have. So you can just grab it and go instead of looking through the pile of clothes that I have on the floor covering it. I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna nail it on my fence so that I can show you guys what it looks like when it's assembled. So there you go. This is the Pridefend hanger, if you will. Still my helmet there. Hang your body armor there. You can actually hook the firearm right there. That's awesome. I bet you guys you've never seen anything like this before. Because when they asked me to do this review, I said, hell yeah, I want it. I've never seen anything like it. This will be great in my room. It was convenient to put together. I had to use my power tools to get in there because turning it a quarter turn with that little Allen key they gave you was taking a long time. But yeah, this is fantastic. Look at that. If you don't have a ballistic helmet, it's okay. That's just a fast bump helmet anyway. You can put your caps in there, whatever. All from Pridefend. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. Bye. You guys know I love showing you what I get because who knows? If I like it, maybe somebody out there likes it too. But I think that's really cool. I'm gonna go install it in my bedroom right now. A great stylish platform so you can hang your caps, your helmets, your body armor, your jacket, and your firearms neatly tucked away in a corner or in your closet or something like that. It's very cool, dedicated just for your firearm equipment. Also the very useful portable mobile punch kit with hammer and platform for disassembling your firearms, and also these great inexpensive shooting rests for the range. Conveniently lightweight, easily transportable. It's like featherweight. And believe it or not, this thing's like 10 bucks. It's super cheap. You piss away 10 bucks a day. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out this and also all other Pridefend accessories. Thanks a lot for joining me on another episode of Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.